Hi everybody, welcome to the Art Club Online. My name is Michelle. So today...
And I'm Len. And I'm with Michelle.
Today on the Art Club, I wanted to try something called a color study. And what is a color study? I don't know, really.
Well, let me tell you. I'm kidding. I don't know either.
Well, I didn't know, and I looked it up. As far as I can tell, because I didn't go to art school or anything, a color study is when you study colors of something.
Wow.
You are basically only studying and trying to match perfectly the colors of what you're drawing or painting. Maybe I'll try doing your face.
Cool.
I could do a color study of like a scenery. And I'm not gonna try painting outside right now because we're in Canada and it is like -25 today. Celsius. Not Fahrenheit. What would that be Fahrenheit? Like you're dead, right?
We should just educate ourselves and then push record.
Everything in this world is made up of matter.
Sometimes you just look and just try to think, what color am I actually seeing?
You have to study what that color is, not what you think the color is.
Right.
So my grandmother gave me a red metal dustpan that's really old from the house that she grew up in. And I painted a barn scene on it. It doesn't really make sense to your brain what the light was doing to the colors. So I'm going to show it to you. So if you see, this side of the barn is like a really dark gray color, but this side, because of the sunset, is like bright yellow and orange. And so in order to get it right, I had to paint the colors that I saw, not the colors that I thought it would be. Because if I painted the colors I thought it was, then I'd probably paint the whole barn white. So that's what we're gonna try right now. Let's try. So I'm having Len sit here, and I'm sure it's gonna be boring, but I'm gonna try to go fast. And I'm gonna just put a few colors down on my palette here that I see. Okay, so I see tones of brown. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown. Oh wow, I see even purple. This is weird. Hard to do. Hunter wants to say hi.
Hello.
It helps if you hold up the paint color in front to try to match. Okay, it's gonna look really weird to start. So it's okay, from what I've heard, to exaggerate the colors a little bit too. It might help you to stretch your skill. See, I see a little bit of... You're not gonna see the same thing as me, because he's on a different angle for you guys, but maybe the same colors will. For this, I'm just doing a basic undertone, and I think this would be a whole lot easier if it was oil paints, because you have a lot more time to work with. Okay, so I need a good pink. White and red. The old-fashioned way to make pink. And it's got some beautiful pink lips. Can you put them normal? Now, I'm only focusing mainly on the colors I see, not so much on the shape, okay? So it might not really look like Len that much, I'm not sure.
I'm sure it does.
Don't be so sure of yourself.
I'm sure of your talents.
Thanks.
Does anybody else make noises when they smile?
I see brown and black. I've never done this before from life. It's kind of fun, but time consuming, I suppose. Whoa.
What?
It's just hard. And parts of your hair is like black. So weird. I thought your hair was so brown, but parts of it look black.
I'm just gonna...
Whoa, what color is that? If you look really close at the color you're trying to achieve, sometimes it's not clear even what that color is. Looks brown. But it also looks white. Do some white. Gotta move fast as well because I'm using acrylic. If I was using oil, then I could like really take my time, but I'm not, so.
Not complaining. I just think that if I did this again, I would stretch first.
You can stretch.
Oh.
Better? No, I'm not using water to rinse in between. Doesn't mean you can't. I'm just choosing not to.
Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
Did you hear that?
Hilarious.
Oh. Yeah, that helps you like breathe better.
It's like I'm doing it, but it's like a lot of places are with your skin are brighter than what I'm actually doing. I think. I don't really know.
Hunter, you can do 2 more minutes.
2 minutes.
You know what I should do?
What?
I should sign up to be an art class model, but only for sleeping poses.
You just sleep?
Yeah,
Yep.
it's always a night course.
Oh, wow. This is something I would like to get better at. All right, well, I think that's just about it. I'm gonna put a little gray for your shirt here. Yeah, so that is my first try at a color study, and I can see how, wow, it's a real art, and I am interested in trying this more, actually. Now I'm gonna show it to Len. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Wow! That is so cool.
Really?
Yeah.
I think oil paint would have been better. It would have been more smooth.
Yo, that looks good. That's amazing.
You could spend hours on doing something like that, and I probably would, because I didn't even notice that this was a half an hour.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
That's really good.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you will join us here on the Art Club in the Art Club Treehouse again very soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.